Welcome to Surplus DIY. On this channel, we do a lot of how-to projects. But unfortunately, my channel was banned. Should I say, is that the proper word to say banned? Yeah, banned. YouTube banned my channel for about a year and a half. So, due to community guidelines violations. So for some reason, I'm making a video, I'll build, put something together, tell somebody about something, and then I will join a Facebook group and post that same video in order to get views. Who doesn't do that? But for some reason, I guess either YouTube didn't like that or somebody in Facebook, one of the community members or something, didn't like that. But nevertheless, today is May 10th. I have my channel back. I'm in my pajamas and summertime. This is summertime. It's starting to get a little warm out here and we got some projects to do. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing some power washing of the house, power washing some other stuff, just some stuff around the house to get my feet back wet, get back in motion. I'm going to be redoing some stuff on the front porch, maybe sanding it down, different type of stain. You're going to want to see that. The back porch, if I have time this summer, I'm going to take that all apart and then rebuild it. Inside, hardwood floors, we're going to redo those, and also the kitchen countertops. I want to re-epoxy. It hasn't even been epoxy the first time. I'm going to epoxy the countertops. So you're going to want to see. I'm going to want to see how that is going to turn out. Other than that, stay tuned. I got my channel back. Here we go.